Former Chefette employee Orlando Harris is now a happy man. On Wednesday, the Court of Appeal upheld a wrongful termination claim by the former assistant manager. Mr. Harris was dismissed back in January 2014, and the Employment Rights Tribunal ruled that his termination was wrongful. He was awarded over $100,000, but the fast food chain appealed the ruling. Mr. Harris's attorney, Edmund Hinkson, said the procedure used to dismiss his client was flawed.
Chefette certainly breached many of Mr. Harris's statutory rights in dismissing him. For example, the court found that the first meeting to which Chefette summoned Mr. Harris was a disciplinary hearing, that they had already carried out all their investigations, and that therefore Chefette should have given Mr. Harris full details of witness statements in writing, setting out their case against him, that they should have invited him to come with an attorney at law or a short throat as his representative. None of that was done in this case. He did not know that he was coming to what turned out to be a disciplinary hearing. He had no case to answer. There wasn't anything in writing as to what the accusation by Chefette against him was. All of this was incorrect, and therefore, having started wrong, you could not remedy now those defects in terms of breach of Mr. Harris's rights. The subsequent meetings to which Mr. Harris was called or invited to attend by Chefette were therefore patently flawed as well.
Mr. Harris told Nation News the situation was a trying one for him.
I feel vindicated because ever since this incident happened, it has been like a dark shadow hanging over me, even in terms of my ability to find similar employment. I have been met with this incident continuously. Never been given any fair recommendations from former employer. So at present, I really feel good. I feel vindicated.